This is latest update Unc0ver jailbreak for iOS 14. Finally, it supported all devices. I show how to use this Unc0ver toolkit. Step 1. Download Unc0ver X installer on computer. You can use Windows or Mac OS version. Next, need connect device using USB and open Unc0ver. Click jailbreak button and waiting installing. If installed success, you can see Unc0ver icon on home screen. Open and waiting installing cydia. All tweaks now fully support iOS 14. All features works for all devices.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my